Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing wonderful in your life. And this is your extended love reading. In this, I'm going to clarify these cards in a deeper way. This is your extended love reading. I hope it resonates with you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me or tell me anything. And thank you so much for liking my video, for supporting my channel. I really appreciate your comments. I love when you comment on my videos. Okay, so I love you all, my Aquarius. Thank you so much for giving lots of love. Okay, so let's start your extended reading. So once more I'm going to tell you, because I have already uploaded your main reading, but some of you have not gone through that video, so I'm going to explain you one more time what's the energy is there towards you for today. You are guarding yourself, Aquarius. You are protecting yourself. You are being defensive. Can you see there is 7 of Wands here? And you are unable to make a decision right now. You are juggling between two situations. You are trying so hard to make some decision in your life, and you are protecting yourself too. Okay, so you're juggling between, because there was no balance in your situation. There is no stability in your relationship or in your situation in your life. So you are trying so hard to get back your balance in your life. Okay, you are trying so hard to get that balance back. And someone is rushing towards you, Aquarius. Knight of Swords. The person is coming towards you from the past. It's 6 of Cups is there. So someone is rushing towards you. The person is from the past and they are giving you Ace of Swords, some clarity in your life. Okay, so someone is rushing towards you. You are guided by intuitions, Aquarius. High Priestess and Queen of Wands. You are taking the energy of Queen of Wands. You want something passionate, new love beginning, and you are getting it, and you are using your intuitions in moving ahead. Okay, you are using your intuitions, and you are leaving a person who is King of Pentacles. Okay, you are leaving a situation or person behind with this 5 of Pentacles. Can you see a person is moving in a direction? So someone is leaving a person behind and moving ahead, and you are leaving a situation or person behind who is King of Pentacles. You're leaving them behind and moving ahead. Why are you leaving this person behind? Because they were giving you lots of burdens. Okay, only the burdens were there in your relationship. 10 of Wands. So this is the ending of the 10 of Wands. There is no 11 of Wands. So they have already given you all the burdens, whatever they can give you. And some of you are now at the crossroads to take a decision. 2 of Wands is there. So you are taking a decision between two situations, two persons, or you are going to take a decision in your life, Aquarius. Some of you are at a crossroads, and you are taking a decision in love life, because there is lovers. So you are taking a decision in your love life. Okay, and you are waiting your ships to come, but it is coming towards you. Maybe it's coming at a slow pace. Can you see? There is Knight of Pentacles and 3 of Wands. So you are waiting your ships to come. Maybe some of you are still hoping that this person will come back in your life. Okay, but maybe some of you are also getting your person back, but that person is not good for you. That person is the devil. Or okay, so they are offering the cup to you, but you are not ready to accept that cup at all. Okay, this devil is offering you their cup, but you are not ready to accept the cup at all. Okay, you're not ready to accept that cup at all, because either you were having lots of option in your life, or they were having lots of option in their life with the 7 of Cups. And someone is going to offer you a new romantic cup of them. Knight of Cups is there, and this person is your wish fulfillment. Okay, so these are the two energies in your reading, Aquarius. One is King of Pentacles, which is toxic, devil. Okay, you are leaving them behind, and again they are coming back to offer you this 4 of Cups, but you are not accepting them at all. Can you see? You are not accepting this devil at all, because they were having lots of option in their life. The 7 of Cups, they were keeping their options open in the life. This is them actually. So yeah, this new person is the person who is rushing towards you from the past, who is giving you clarity. Okay, so this is your wish fulfillment, and they are offering you Ace of Cups. Beautiful energy. This is very beautiful, Aquarius. Beautiful energy which is coming towards you. They are giving you emotional fulfillment. The cup is overflowing with emotions. Can you see this cup is overflowing with the emotions? So they are giving you emotional fulfillment in your life. Now let's see what are the meaning of these cards in a deeper way. I'm going to clarify these cards in a deeper way. Okay, what is Knight of Swords? Please explain me what is the meaning of Knight of Swords. Please explain me. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Justice. Okay, justice is being served in your case. Ooh. Queen of Cups, Strength card, and King of Pentacles. So either this King of Pentacles is rushing towards you. And you are keeping your strength. Queen of Cups. You are keeping your strength. Queen of Cups. This is you. You are keeping your strength. Okay, you are also guided by intuitions. This Queen of Cups is also someone who is guided by emotions and intuitions. Okay, so you are keeping your strength. You are still hoping this person to come back. Okay, and they are coming back. Maybe they are coming back. Let me see, what is Six of Cups? Please explain me what is the meaning of Six of Cups. Explain me. Two of Wands and Six of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. See, this is the new person. They're coming towards you at the slow pace. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords. Okay, so yes, they are coming towards you at a slow pace, and they are at crossroads maybe. But person is coming towards you on... I'm not getting clarified. Wait a second. I need to clarify more. What is the Six of Cups? Please explain me. Okay. Eight of Swords. See. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Wands, Queen of Wands and King of Wands. There is a pair. That's why I was asking you, I was telling you that this is your soulmate card. So yes, you are manifesting something and communication is coming towards you. There is a Death card and there is Sun too. So new beginning is there. Beautiful Aquarius. Magician, Eight of Wands, Death card and the Sun. So yes, there is a new energy, and there was Six of Cups is there. Maybe you are taking a decision and you are at the crossroads. Maybe some of you are feeling restricted right now. Okay, you are unable to make a decision. Can you see Eight of Swords is there? You are unable to make a decision, but right now you are at the crossroads. There are Two of Wands and Two of Wands from both of the deck, but you are at the crossroads. You have to make a decision between two situations, and you are taking your time. Can you see? This is Knight of Pentacle and there is a Knight of Pentacle here too. So you are taking a time to make a decision. Okay, and you are manifesting something. You are manifesting something. Their communication is coming towards you. Lots of communication through WhatsApp, social media and all. And you are putting an end to something so that something new can begin, and it's beginning. The Sun and Death both are there. That's why you are getting your Ace of Swords. So you are getting your Sun and the Death card both. So let's see. Someone is rushing towards you. Maybe there are two energy around you. One is Queen of Cups and one is King of Pentacles. They both are getting strength. I need to explain this Knight of Swords more. Let me see. What is the meaning of Knight of Swords? Explain me the meaning of Knight of Swords. Seven of Pentacles. What is the meaning of Knight of Swords? What is the meaning of Knight of Swords? Yeah, see, Page of Swords. Someone is spying on you, Aquarius. They are rushing towards you. Someone is rushing towards you, and someone is spying on you. You have already put lots of efforts in it. You want your emotions to be fulfilled, and there is a King of Pentacles who is rushing towards you. Yeah, see, this is how it is. This is how it is. So this is you. You are taking the energy of Queen of Cups. You are more focusing on your emotions and all. You're keeping your strength. But this King of Pentacles is still putting some efforts in it, and they are spying on you. That's why they are rushing. Where is my Aquarius gone? They are spying on you. Okay, through WhatsApp, through online communication, they are spying on you, and they're rushing towards you. They are thinking that where is my Aquarius gone? Okay, so they are rushing towards you. Let me see, what is Ace of Swords? What is Ace of Swords? What is Ace of Swords mean? Explain me the meaning of Ace of Swords. Wow. See, you are getting clarity, Aquarius. Two of Swords, King of Swords, and Queen of Swords. You will get 1133 was the recording reading time. That's your wish fulfillment. You are getting clarity to know that what is your wish fulfillment. That's the message for you today. You are finally getting your clarity about what is your wish fulfillment. Who is your wish fulfillment? Nine of Cups is there, bottom of the deck. And there is Two of Swords energy. Okay, so there is King of Swords, Queen, and Two of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay, can you see? There is a pair here. There is a pair here. Divine counterparts is there. Okay, so you are getting finally a solution, a clarity about what is my. Can you see this thinking girl is sitting like this and thinking and all? So this is you, Aquarius. You are finally getting your clarity about who is your match. Okay, you are getting your clarity, and this is your match, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. So you are getting clarity about which is my soulmate, where is my match. So that's what you are getting clarity. What is the meaning of Queen of Wands? Please explain me what is the meaning of Queen of Wands. Please clarify what is the meaning of Queen of Wands. Four of Swords. Yes, you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You're taking care of yourself. You are resting and doing some inner work, healing. You are resting. You are taking rest. Okay. Can you see? There is Nine of Wands again. You are guarding yourself. You are, protecting yourself a lot, and you are rising as a chariot. You know what is right and what is wrong for you. Okay, you know the difference. You're moving forward, Aquarius. You are moving forward with lots of confidence and all. Now you know the difference between black and white, basically. Okay, so let me see, what is the meaning of King of Pentacles? Explain me the meaning of King of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Please explain me the meaning of. See, bottom of the deck, I'm again having Three of Wands. Three of Wands, Three of Wands. And there is again Four of Cups and Hermit. You are not accepting a cup from this King of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles, Four of Cups and Hermit. Four of Cups and Four of Cups. And Four of Cups is attached with the devil because this person is toxic for you. You get to know this clarity. Okay, so you are not accepting the cup from this person, and you taking an energy of Hermit. You are looking answers from within yourself. Can you see? Yeah, see, Three of Wands, Five of Wands. There were some conflicts around you. You're taking the energy of Hermit. You are not accepting that cup because you were working so hard before. You are putting all the efforts. You were the one who were putting all the efforts in the relationship, and now you are not accepting it. Now they are coming back towards you and you are not accepting that. You're taking the energy of Hermit. Let me see. What is the meaning of Lovers? What is the meaning of Lovers? Three of Swords. What is the meaning of Lovers? Seven of Swords. What is the meaning of Lovers? Three of Cups. What is the meaning of Lovers? Hierophant. What is the meaning of Lovers? What is the meaning of Lovers? Please explain me the meaning of Lovers. What is the meaning of Lovers? Please explain me the meaning of Lovers. Again, there is King of Cups and Queen of Cups in this. There are two energies around you. 1616 was the recording reading time. Two energies around you, Aquarius. I got it now. Okay, one is the toxic one, the devil one, whom you are not accepting the cup with Four of Cups. The person you are rejecting right now were giving you deceptive energy, because there are some cards here which are explaining that thing. Three of Swords, Seven of Swords, Three of Cups and Hierophant. So that person, with that relationship, you were committed like a marriage, or you were married to that person. Okay, Hierophant is the card of marriage. So either you were married to this person, or you were in a relationship for a long time period. Okay, or you were in a relationship with this person which is equal to, you both were committed to each other like a marriage, but there is some third party for sure. Three of Swords and Three of Cups both are there. There were some deceptions, cheating, lying, manipulation going on in your back. That's why you are taking a decision here at the crossroads. Okay, there were lots of deceptions. Can you see these two cards? Three of Swords and Seven of Swords, lies, cheating, manipulation and all. So there were some deceptive energy around you which put you in a third party situation, or they have given you lots of pain. Can you see this girl is crying a lot? Can you see this is screaming a lot? She is screaming a lot. So yes, they were giving you some lies, cheating, manipulation in this, but now you are using your intuitions, Aquarius. You are using your intuitions, and you are guided by intuitions, and you are moving ahead. You are taking a decision according to your intuitions, by using your intuitions, that where is my King of Cups, because you want to achieve 10 of Cups and you're getting your 10 of Cups. That with this King of Cups, you are getting your 10 of Cups with this person. This is King of Cups. There are two persons who are rushing towards you, and with one person you are not accepting a cup from one person. Okay, you are selecting the other one. Can you see here also there is two energies for you, Queen of Cups and King of Pentacles. There is a match here. There are two energies. This is you who is keeping strength. Okay, you are keeping strength, and there is a King of Pentacles who were putting efforts in it. Seven of Pentacles, there were some long term relationship for sure, but they are spying on you. Page of Swords, they are spying on you through online, and they are rushing towards you, and this was not your match. Can you see this is Queen of Cups and King of Cups is the match. You are getting your match now. You are achieving your 10 of Cups with this King of Cups. You are getting your 10 of Cups with this King of Cups. Okay, you are getting it. Now let me see what is the meaning of Nine of Cups. What is the meaning of Nine of Cups? Please explain me. Wow, literally wow. Two of Cups, wish fulfillment. Aquarius is your Two of Cups. Soulmate card again. What is the meaning of Nine of Cups. What is the meaning of Nine of Cups? Please explain me the meaning of Nine of Cups. Queen of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck I am having Lovers. See what a beautiful it is. Four of Cups, Four of Wands, and Six of Pentacles. Wow. Six of Cups. Yes, this person is from your past for sure, and that's the judgment made by the divine. Oh wow, Aquarius. I love it. I love it. Okay, can you see Lovers is there, Four of Wands, Six of... These two cards also belong for soulmate. Okay, so Four of Wands is there, Six of Pentacles, Six of Cups. All these three cards are belonging from soulmate, and there is a judgment. Judgment is being made in your case. Okay, Aquarius, there will be an equal amount of give and take. Six of Pentacles is there. Four of Wands, again soulmate, twin flame soulmate card is there, and the person is from your past. Six of Cups. Okay, this is also a soulmate card, and you both are the lovers. Can you see? Lovers card, again a soulmate card is there for you. Okay, and here it is. They find you someone who is very strong financially, who knows how to, who knows how to balance the finances and all. Okay, who is stable. They find you stable in finances. You are getting your wish fulfillment, Aquarius. You are abundant. Can you see? Ten of Pentacles, abundant of everything, and Two of Cups is there. You both are offering each other a cup. There is a Queen of Pentacles. They find you someone who is very strong, financially stable. Okay. So yes. What is the meaning of Ace of Cups? Please explain me what is the meaning of Ace of Cups. Wow. Ace of Cups is clarified by Ace of Cups. Two Ace of Cups. 2222 was the recording reading time. Ace of Cups is clarified by Ace of Cups. Wow. You are getting your emotional fulfillment, Aquarius, for sure. You are getting your cup fulfilled with emotions. Please explain me what is the meaning of Ace of Cups. What is the meaning of Ace of Cups? Page of Cups. Someone is going to offer you maybe you are having lots of option here with the Seven of Cups. Okay, but right now you are single, happy, abundant, and you're getting your apology. Sorry, you will receive some message from someone who will say sorry to you. Okay, any other? The Judgment, again a judgment is there. What is the meaning of Ace of Cups? Ace of Swords. Again, Ace of Cups is clarified by Ace of Cups, and again Ace of Swords, and you're getting Ace of Swords two times. Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords. You're getting it. Any other meaning of Ace of Cups? What is the meaning of Ace of Cups? Here is your match. King of Wands. Passionate new love beginning. Six of Pentacles, who will give you equal amount of give and take. Bottom of the deck I'm having Four of Wands, twin flame energy for you. So yes, this is your card, Aquarius. This is your match for sure. How beautiful it is. Can you see? Ace of Cups is clarified by Ace of Cups and Ace of Swords. You're getting two Ace of Swords in a reading. Two Ace of Cups and two Ace of Swords. You're getting a clarity between what is a proper love partner for you. You are getting your clarity basically. Who will give you this Ace of Cups? You are getting a clarity about this basically. Okay, some of you are single right now. Some of you are single right now, Aquarius. You get to know that you are abundant, single, happy in your own way. You deserve the best. And yes, you are right, you deserve the best. Judgment is being made in your case. Someone is coming to apologize you. Maybe you receive a sorry, a small message from someone. Okay, and judgment has been made in your case. You will get equal amount of give and take from this King of Wands. You will getting your passionate new beginning in your love life, Aquarius, and you are getting equal amount of give and take now. So this was your extended love reading clarification. Okay, so yeah, let's summarize. So let's summarize your reading. You're getting 2 Ace of Cups, Aquarius. You're getting your emotional fulfillment for sure. I'm having 2 confirmations from my both deck. You are having Ace of Swords and Ace of Swords. Okay, so getting your clarity. You are getting your clarity about what is right for you. Okay, you're getting it. There is a pair here. There is a pair here. Wait a minute. There is a pair here. Queen of Cups and King of Cups is there. So yes, this is a cup. This is a match for you. Okay, King of Cups and Queen of Cups are divine counterparts basically. 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles both are there in your reading. Okay, abundant of everything and happy family card for you. High Priestess and High Priestess is there from both of my decks. So you are using your intuitions. You are right now highly intuitive. So you are using your intuitions. Okay, so yeah, King of Wands and Queen of Wands is there. King of Wands and Queen of Wands, you are getting again a divine counterpart. So you are meeting your divine counterpart. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, and someone is offering you a cup, but you are not ready to accept it right now. 4 of Cups and 4 of Cups. Can you see? You're not accepting the cup right now from this person. King of Pentacles is there. King of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. They are spying on you, Aquarius. 7 of Swords is there. So they are spying on you right now. You're not ready to accept it. You get to know that there is some devil energy around you with this. They were keeping their options open. With the 7 of Cups, they were keeping their options open. You get to know that you are happy, single in your own way, and you are ready to be single till the time the right person enters in your life. So you are ready to be in single mode. But the person is coming your way for sure. The person is coming your way. There are lots of cards here who is telling me that you are dealing with your soulmate, Aquarius, and the new person is very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Can you see the Sun card is there? Lovers, 2 of Cups, and there is 6 of Cups too. So yes, you are dealing with someone who is equal to you. You both will give each other equal amount of love. You both will offer equal amount of love to each other, and that's your wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups, it's your wish fulfillment. Sun, the happiest card you are getting in the deck. New beginnings in love, new beginnings in everything, Aquarius. Okay, the person will be from your past, and this is also a soulmate card. So yes, these 3 cards are telling me that you are dealing with your soulmate. Okay, 2 of Cups, how beautiful it is. The energy is so beautiful for you. I love your energy. There is a pair, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Again, a pair. Someone is there. The person you were dealing with was not good for you because there were some... Can you see 3 of Swords is there and 7 of Swords? Lies, cheating, manipulation going on in your life. So yes, there were something which was not good for you, and that's... You are not accepting it. That's very good, Aquarius. They were coming towards you and you are not accepting it. Very good. Some toxicity were there. But now it will be best, Aquarius. You do not have to worry about it. Okay, because you are getting back everything. You need to make a choice. You are at the crossroads. Okay, but someone is rushing towards you to offer you, but you are leaving them behind, leaving a situation behind, and you're not accepting their cup at all. Let's add some oracle for you and let's close it out. Okay. No, I'm not going to add any because it's already 30 minutes reading. So I will make another video in which I'm going to add your bonus messages. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to ask me anything, if you want to tell me anything. I will be very happy to help you out in some manner. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.